welcome back to the channel, y'all. So as you can see by that thumbnail, your girl is transforming into a bad ting today, okay? So right here I'm just showing you some of the products that I'll be using, but I got this unit from RPGSHOW. Look at this packaging, you guys. Look at the elegantness of it all, and this is all that you have coming into your box. All these goodies. We love goodies. So I'm just going to be popping on my wig cap to just start this, situation today. And thankfully I finally picked up a new edge brush from the beauty supply store. So I have a new edge brush. I'm going to be taking this Sephora foundation powder on the lace. I didn't show you guys that because it was kind of out of the way, but look at this lace, you guys. It really didn't even need that much help with the foundation powder, but I just wanted to add it just because I do have a full face of makeup on, so I could have just go straight out the door as soon as I finish this install. So I'm just going to add the incisions and then start cutting around the ear tabs so it can fit snug on me. Now I do have some rubbing alcohol that I'm going to be using to remove all that extra makeup that I have around the perimeter of my hairline so I can have a clean install. I'm using my Got to Be glue this day, but I actually picked up the Ebony New York wig holding adhesive spray, and that is bomb.com. So shout out to my girl in my comment section for letting me know about that. And basically what I'm doing right here is just raking all of the hair back, so when this dries down, it's not going to be looking crazy underneath that lace. The construction on this wig, I didn't even have to adjust it because it was pretty, tight. And I'll say, sometimes you don't have to adjust the wig, but I think I had got a small cap size. But all the information will be listed in the description box below to this exact wig. But the color, you guys, is phenomenal, beautiful. I'm so here for it, and this has been my go-to wig lately. So right here I'm just adding the elastic band so it can just do its thing while I just finish kind of dressing the hair up. I did use some rubbing alcohol towards the top half because I didn't want any of that hairspray to be up there, especially when I'm going to go in and style it. And I'm also going to part it for you guys. Look at how deep the parting is, you guys. Amazing. This hair is really high in density, so there was some plucking I had to do towards the top half, especially on the side of my part, so everything could be super flat. And this went on for a very long time, you guys. Even when I thought I was done, I was not done. So I had to actually keep plucking, especially on this side. So, you want to take your time because you want this to be as flat as possible. And this is a tedious process, but it's worth it, especially, if you do want a everyday wig. This technique right here is going to make you feel like you could pop your wig on and maybe not even have to glue it down because it looks super flat. So right here, I'm just going to go in and deepen up my parts. Y'all know the drill. It's very much so giving scalp, and I'm so here for it. I didn't have to lift the knots or anything like that, and I was just really happy about the color, the quality on this hair, you guys. I was just I had to tell my girls about this. So I just removed the elastic band, and I'm just going to comb out the hair, especially in the area where I added that elastic band, because it does get a little crunchy on there since I did add a little bit of hairspray to hold this wig down. So just, combing that out. Going back in and finishing the plucking where the elastic band was at. I needed to go back in and deepen that area up. And as you can see, I'm still removing hair towards this part of my hair because, yeah, girl was giving very much so thickiana up there. Now it's time for styling. I try to do some of it off camera so you guys wouldn't be tortured with watching me do this repetitive style. I did it a different way this time. I actually used my wand curlers. I have been loving to do this look with my wand curlers lately because it just is a little bit more convenient when you are in a rush. So I do like to pull this bad boy out for that reason. It does get hot really fast. This is the Zoe Professionals wand curler. It does come with a few different attachments, and I chose to use the one that's even all the way through so it can just give a really flawless curl. And another thing about wand curlers, well, I can vouch for this Zoe Professional wand curler that I got from Marshall's. This one makes my curls last forever. You guys, I filmed this 2 weeks ago and I still have this hair installed and I have not touched the curls up yet, and it just looks so good still. The curls are still pretty prominent in the hair. If I wanted to touch it up just to make it a little tighter, I would do so, but honestly it looks super good. So I'm always here for curling my hair with this wand curler, and like I said, it actually came from Marshall's. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I got a really good deal on it. And another thing, it came with 4 different attachments, and I do like to use this one just because it's even all the way through and it makes my curls look really fire, if I do say so myself. So I'm going to be doing this, and I really didn't speed it up this time because I really wanted you guys to see what I'm doing. So I love to like bump it, you know, and then do my little curl, whether it's going to be away from my face or towards my face. Sometimes I accidentally make it towards my face and I'm supposed to be making it away from my face, so then I have to go back in and fix it. All right, but let's talk about the real star of the show, the color, honey. The color is amazing, you guys. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm glad I got something a little bit more wearable for me. I usually gravitate towards blonde units from RPGSHOW just because I'm always obsessed with their tones to their blonde units. They're not like the average blonde that you'll get from any other company, so I'm always wanting something like that. But like I said, this time I just wanted something a little bit more wearable, toned down, and like hints of blonde throughout the wig, and this was perfect. This beautiful balayage type of look on this unit. I will link the name and all of that information in the description box below. I knew for a fact that they got better with their lace quality, so this is Swiss lace, so really beautiful lace. You don't have to bleach the knots at all, you guys, so just note that if you are interested. The price point might be up there, but I'm telling you guys, this is worth the purchase just because it is, you know, pre-colored, pre-styled. The knots are invisible, you guys, and it's just like a super easy everyday wig. You know, just get it customized to fit your liking, whether it's just the fit or if you need to get it plucked, whatever the case may be. You can do it yourself like I'm doing right here. Perfect for my girl that is trying to step out their comfort zone a little bit, try something new, stay away from the blacks and the 1Bs, and you know, don't want to damage their hair, of course. This unit is going to be perfect for you just because of how luxe it is and how high quality this unit is. You have your deep parting, you can style it, you can put heat on it, and it's just not too, you know, too crazy since it is a balayage unit. The blonde pieces are very wearable for women of color, and it just looks bomb. I'm telling you, you're going to get so many compliments on your hair, and even if you don't grow, you are going to compliment yourself every day you wake up and pop this bad boy on. Okay, just a quick transformation is a look for sure, so definitely keep that in mind if you are trying to, you know, transform yourself and you just tired of wearing black hair, because I know for a fact I am. You will be seeing a theme on my channel, you guys, because I'm trying to step away from the jet blacks since I've been doing that for quite a bit this summer, and this is basically what I decided to go for thanks to RPGSHOW. But I had to share one of my new favorite grade A units with you guys, and I would love to know your thoughts about it. I'm going to continue styling it, and you know, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like it, love it. If you've tried RPGSHOW hair out before, let me know your experience with it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I just want to thank you guys for always being here and supporting me. Make sure you thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will catch you in my next one.